Did you know an entire village once vanished overnight, leaving dinner still warm on the tables? They called it the Silent Exodus, a remote settlement tucked deep in the mountains, where life was simple, until one cold evening when a passing trader arrived, expecting laughter, lanterns, and smoke from chimneys. Instead, he found empty homes, chairs knocked over, and footprints leading toward the woods, only to stop abruptly, as if the villagers had simply evaporated. Local records say the night before, people reported hearing a low humming in the sky, unaware they had just signed their own disappearance notice. Not a single body was found, not a single clue, just a village frozen in time, a place where it feels like the world itself took a breath and never exhaled again.